So with my device, you'll be able to stream music from your phone through your car stereo without Bluetooth. My transmitter, go to Pandora, iHeartRadio, or whichever music app that you want to use, and play. I choose acoustic, so you can actually hear the sound quality. The sound quality is CD-like quality, unlike any other transmitter, which is muffled with statics and a lot of noise. This one is 100% clean, no static, no distortion. You can control the volume, but ideally you want to set this to 80% and just use the card. Simply connect My Gadget onto your iPhone and you will be able to enjoy all your music, all your audios from your iPhone right through that mid-2000 car factory radio without Bluetooth or an aux input. You'll be CD-like sound quality and you'll be simple, and you can keep your factory radio system from your mid-2000 car exactly the way it is to keep your car resale value. I am so confident that you will love My Gadget. I'm offering you a 100-day money-back guarantee. So try this out. If you're not happy with it in any way, simply send it back and you'll get your full money back. No questions asked. Click the link over here to get yours now or to find out more about this product. Thank you. Get this now. Don't wait. If you miss it, you're going to have to wait until the next batch come in, and that could take a while.
For more information about the product or to make a purchase, please check out my website at iPhone-FM-transmitter.com, iPhone-FM-transmitter.com.